If y is the smallest positive integer such that 3150 multiplied by y is the square of an integer. So let me quickly write it down. 3150 multiplied by y is the square of an integer. Then y must be what? Now, so the first question is to understand what is the square of an integer. The square of an integer means either 1 is square or 2 is square or 3 is square or 4 is square, things like that. It keeps going on square. So when we look at the square of any integer, we can just see that the exponent of the number must definitely be 2 or a multiple of 2. For example, 4 can further be written as 2 to the power 4. But since we have 2 here, that means the exponent of the number must be even for the number to be called a perfect square. So let's take it down as a concept that the perfect square, how to identify whether a number is a perfect square? Exponents of each distinct prime factor must be even. That means divisible by 2 for the number to be a perfect square. Now, let's look at this question 3150. So the first thing that we have to do is prime factorize 3150, which can further be written as 315 multiplied by 10. 315 can further be written as 5 times 63, 10 can be written as 2 times 5. We are further factorizing it, so we have 2 times 5 square, 63 can be written as 9 into 7. So the final step of prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 7. Now, in order to make it a perfect square, what are we short of? That we can see in the exponents of these prime factors. Here 3 and 5 are good to go in order to make the number as a perfect square, but we are short of one exponent of 2 and one exponent of 7. And this requirement has to be furnished by y. That means y must have at least one exponent of 2 and at least one exponent of 7, so that 3150 times y has all the even exponents of all its distinct prime factors. So the minimum value of y must be 2 multiplied by 7, that is 14, which is option E, and that becomes our answer. So this solution basically helps us understand the importance of prime factorization. It's really important that we understand that prime factorization is a key to answer many questions. Whenever we come across any big number, it's paramount that we prime factorize the number to understand all the basic properties through the prime factors that are creating that number. Thank you so much for watching this video.